Today we're going to solve 3 puzzles with very satisfying solutions. Let's get into it. Puzzle 1 begins with a shape shown on this grid. The challenge is simple to describe but difficult to solve. We must cut this shape into 2 pieces and rearrange them into a perfect 8 by 8 square. Can you do it? This puzzle is tricky, so we really need to think outside the box. Now imagine the puzzle allowed 3 cuts instead of 2. Suddenly the puzzle becomes much easier. All you would do is cut off the squares that stick out. Cut this square and cut this square. Then place them into the empty spaces and the shape becomes a perfect square. But that doesn't solve the original challenge because we used 3 pieces. So let's solve it properly using only 2 cuts. Let's think about the same idea. We want to move the sticking out squares to fill the gaps. First, take this square and try placing it into this gap. To do that, we would need to cut the shape like this. Now imagine we cut the shape into 2 pieces. Rotate this piece and place it into the gap. We're close, but we're still off by 1 square. So instead, let's start over. This time, take one of the sticking out squares and move it into this gap. But we also need to create room for the other square when we rotate it. So let's cut a square here. And this square needs to move as well. That extra square now fills the final missing space perfectly. Here's the cut we need to make. We cut around these 2 squares, separating the shape into just 2 pieces. Now rotate this piece and place it back. It forms an exact 8 by 8 square, filling every gap. And that is the solution to puzzle 1.